In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can fix the Google Play free trial error, and we're going to give you all the necessary tips you need. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's get into it.
Now, quickest fix for this one, just simply go to your settings. Now, when you simply go to your settings, you then wait for your settings to finish uploading. Then click on App Management, tap on App List. Now, once you tap on App List, you then wait for your app to finish uploading up a bit. Alright, so you can see, guys, it's just loading, but it's almost getting done. Now, the loading is done, so click on Search over here. Then look for Play Store, Google Play Store. Now clear cache by tapping on storage, clear storage, and also clear cache. And once you do that, you'll be good to go. Alright, that's it for me, guys. Subscribe.